Hey everybody, it's Charlie and Autumn. Say hi.
The birds.
Yeah, the birds. Now something done drug, well not something, the buzzards done drug something up in our yard. And Autumn is freaking out over these big buzzards. Well, I don't blame her, they're big enough to haul her away and eat her. But what we were going to do, and what we're still going to do, is head out and drive down the road. I hear that they're putting fiber optics in, but I want to show you all these birds. There's a big bird. Yeah. They black?
Yeah,
That's a big bird, huh? One, two, three, four, 5 of them so far. They're huge. I wish they'd hurry up and eat that. It sure is stinking. Oh, well, they're waiting for me to leave, so I guess I'll get out of here. Well, me and Autumn's gonna go check out down the road. We heard that they're gonna put in AT&T fiber optics. So let's go see what they're up to. Hopefully they'll make it here. As you can see, it's not very far away, probably from where they're doing it. Maybe 3/4 to 1 mile. And I hope they're headed this way. It sure would change things for us, that's for sure. And I know about 5 or 6 neighbors are wanting fiber optics because everything else is just too slow. You pay big money for slow speeds. Now they're supposed to be right around this corner here. We'll see where they are. Maybe I can talk to them. Looks like they're right here. Maybe I can talk to them if they'll let me put them on camera. Maybe I can hide the camera. We're past the city part. Yeah, but old man, how you doing? How far around they gonna go with the fiber optics? Yeah, they gonna go around that way? Please.
Yeah.
You got a boss man up here that knows more? Gotta go talk to him. Okay. Well, hopefully this works out. Hey man, how you doing? How far are they gonna go around, you know? They're gonna go around the corner too? Don't know yet, huh? I live right around the corner and we've been hoping to get fiber optics for a long time. Okay. Ain't nobody else I could talk to find out, huh? Well, maybe I'll stop by later and catch the boss man. or the AT&T, right? Okay. I sure need it bad. We got like 6 families back here that wants it. Yep. I know down on the other end they stopped at the neighborhood and didn't come this way. Okay. Hey, you need any water or anything? Okay. Need salsa? No, no. Well, guys, sounds like they might be coming around the corner down there, so we'll just have to keep an eye on them. I'm gonna keep a close eye on them and make sure that they're gonna do it. So maybe tomorrow I'll stop back by and see how far they got. It don't take long at all to run that fiber optics. So prayers for us that they do it. Say bye-bye, Adam.
Bye.
I love you.
I love you.
Give us a thumbs up.
Subscribe.
Say subscribe.
Subscribe.
And we'll see you on the next video.
Next video.
Bye, y'all.